Hello students, welcome to Sufa E-class. In the previous lecture, we have solved some question from the practice set. Now today we will move towards the next question of practice set, that is x plus 7y equal to 10 and 3x minus 2y equal to 7. Student, you can solve these equations by using elimination by equating coefficient and elimination by substitution. So first of all we will solve this equation by elimination, but elimination by equating the coefficient. So student, if you will observe this equation, then we will write x plus 7y equal to 10. Let this equation be equation 1, and 3x minus 2y equal to 7. Let this equation be equation 2. So student, here this x is here. So if we can make this x 3x, then these terms will be eliminated by subtraction. So let's see how to do that. So take this equation number 1, multiply equation 1 by 3. So we have to multiply equation 1 by 3. So see what it will be. So 3 multiplied by x, it will be 3x, plus 3 multiplied by 7, it is 21, y will be as it is, and is equal to 3 tens are 30. Let this equation be equation 3rd. So if you will notice equation 2nd and 3rd, here it is 3x and here also it is 3x. So by subtraction this term can be eliminated and we will get the value of y. So subtract or subtracting equation 2 from equation 3. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 3. So student, this is equation 3. So it is 3x plus 21y equal to 30, and we have to subtract the second equation, that is 3x minus 2y equal to 7 from this. So let's subtract. This subtraction will be applied to all the terms of the second equation, and that will change the sign. So this positive 3x will become negative 3x, this negative 2y will become positive 2y, and this 7 will become negative 7. So 30 minus 7, you all know, 23, and 21y plus this is negative, but this is become plus because due to this negative sign applied to all the terms of the second equation. So 21 plus 2, it will be 23, and y will be as it is, and this positive 3 and negative 3 will be eliminated from here. So student, you know that it is 23, y equal to 23, so y will be equal to 1. In order to get the value of y, we will divide 23 by 23. This will go to RHS in division. So we got the value of y here. Now student, by putting this value of y in one of the equation, means we will put this value in equation number 1, we will get the value of x. So substitute y equal to 1 in equation 1. So see what will be the value of x. X plus 7y equal to 10. 7y equal to 10. Now put the value of y. X plus 7, it is y. It will be multiplied by 1 because the value of y is 1 here, and equal to 10. So x plus 7 ones are 7 equal to 10. So x equal to this 7 is positive here. It will go to negative to the RHS. 10 minus 7, x equal to 3. So here we got the value of x. Now the solution of the given equations are x comma y, which is equal to, what is x here? 3, and what is y? 1. So the solutions are 3 comma 1. In this way we can solve this equation. So now the next question is 2x minus 3y equal to 9, 2x plus y equal to 13. Student, if you will observe, then here it is 2x, here also it is 2x. 2x minus 3y equal to 9. Let this equation be equation 1. And 2x plus y equal to 13. Equation number 2. You can also multiply second equation by 3, and then you can add, and you can also subtract these equations. There are several methods, there may be more than one or two methods to solve the same equation. So see, I will make the subtraction here. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we'll get, see, what is equation 2 now? 2x plus y equal to 13 and 2x minus 3y equal to 9. So while subtracting, these signs can be changed. So because negative sign is applied to each term, so this will be negative, this will be positive, and this will be negative. So student, 13 minus 9, it will be 4. And this is negative 3y, but after changing the sign it is positive 3y, that's why y plus 3y, it will be 4y, and this positive negative 2x will be eliminated. So student, it is 4y equal to 4, so y equal to 4 upon 4, that is 1. We got the value of y here. Now student, we have to find the value of x. Put the value of y in one of the equation, you will get the value of x. So put the value of y in equation number 1. Put y equal to 1 in equation 1. We get, what is equation 1 here? 2x minus 3y equal to 9. So student, I am solving this here. 2x minus 3. What is y here? Yes. What is y? 1. So minus 3 multiplied by, it will be 1. Equal to 9 will be as it is. So it will be 2x minus 3 ones are minus 3 equal to 9. So student, this will be equal to 2x. Minus 3 will go to that side. 9 minus 3 will become plus 3. So 2x will be equal to 9 plus 3, 12. X will be equal to 12 upon 2. X will be equal to 6. So we got the value of x. So the solutions are x comma y and 6 comma 1. So these are the solutions of the given equation. So the next equation is 5m minus 3n equal to 19, m minus 6n equal to minus 7. Student, this equation can also solve by the 2 or 3 methods. So we can use the substitution method for solving this equation. So here the first equation is 5m minus 3n equal to 19. It is equation number 1, and m minus 6n equal to minus 7. This is equation number 2. So consider equation 2. We can write this equation, the value of m in terms of n. So this equation can be written as m equal to minus 7 plus 6n. This negative 6n will go to this side, it will become positive 6n. So now put m equal to minus 7 plus 6n in equation 1. So what you will get, let's see, 5 in the bracket, here it is m. So instead of m we will write minus 7 plus 6n, it will be minus 7 plus 6n and this minus 3n will be as it is, equal to 19. So student, 7 into minus 5, it will be minus 35 plus 5 6 are 30 and n will be as it is, minus 3n will be as it is, equal to 19. So student, take the like terms, see the like terms here, positive 3n and positive 30n and negative 3n. This positive 30n and this negative 3n will be subtracted, it will become 30 minus 3, 27n, and this will be equal to 19, and this negative 35 will go to this side, it will become positive 35. So it will be 27n equal to 19 plus 35, it will be 54. So it will be 27n equal to 54 and n equal to 54 upon 27, n equal to 2. So we got the value of m. Now we have to find the value of m. So simply we know that now m equal to minus 7 plus 6n, it is the value of m from this equation. So put n equal to 2 in above equation, or you can say this equation, equation number 3. Equation number 3. So put in above equation you can write, or in equation 3 you can say. So we know that m equal to minus 7 will be as it is plus 6n. So this 6 multiplied by, what is n here, 2, so 6 multiplied by 2, m equal to minus 7 plus 6 2s are 12. So m equal to 12 minus 7, it will be 5. So we got the value of m also. Now the solution for this equation is x comma y. Here it is not x comma y, we will write m comma n, because the variable used here is m and n. That is why m comma n will be equal to, what is m here, 5, comma what is n there, 2. So it will be 5 comma 2. So these are the solution of this equation. Thank you.